Kitchen Stories with Soumya. Today we are at the Park Hotel and we have with us Hyderabad's most famous chef, Satya Pandari. Chef,
Hi.
thank you for being on our show. I Today, what are you going to show us? What is the special that you are going to show for our viewers?
Thanks for the introduction. Today, one of my seasonal favorite. I always enjoy spicy food. When I
Okay.
say spicy of Telangana,
Huh.
so Hyderabadi, there is a season spice comes with pandu chilli and
Pandu
chintakaya.
chili. Okay.
So pandu chilli prawns
Uh-huh.
is a recipe. We are started doing this.
Okay.
So I'm showing the pandu chilli prawns recipe and with the barbecue grills, basic simple grill.
Okay.
Everyone thinks that prawns take 1 hour, 30 minutes, 20
Right.
minutes to cook.
Right.
But prawn will take least if you cook at the right temperature. See,
Uh-huh.
my hot plate is hot.
I know. నాకు వేడి తెలుస్తుంది. I can feel the heat here.
So when it is hot, it takes less than 1 minute.
Wow.
So
Let us
this
witness this miracle because I know a lot of you like me, we all think prawns take a lot of time to cook, but let us witness this today. I know a lot of you are fans of spicy food and pandu mirchi or pandu chili. I know it's quite spicy for me. I myself am not a fan of spicy food, but today I'm going to try what the chef makes for sure. Let us see how he prepares it.
So as simple, I kept it chili chop,
Okay.
but at spicy level, I kept it chili chop and pandu chili paste also is ready.
Okay.
So pandu chili paste is this. So
Wow.
this pandu chili paste made with ginger garlic paste, oil and pandu chili.
ఖతర్నాక్ ఉందండి అసలు ఇది నా ఇట్స్ స్మెల్లింగ్ ఆఫ్ స్పైసెస్ చిల్లీ ఓకే
So this extra spicy కోసం నేను ఇంకొద్దిగా చిల్లీ కూడా యాడ్ చేశాను.
ఓకే
So we'll mix prawns in this and we'll grill it. పట్టుకోండి.
ఓకే
So prawns you can take small. I taken a small size of prawns.
ఓకే
So we called it as shrimps.
ఓకే
I'll add 2 spoons at least of this paste to give a nice spicy. Mix it properly.
ఇది చూస్తుంటేనే భయం వేస్తుంది అసలు నాకు బట్ యా ఇది కొంతమందికి చాలా షెఫ్ మీరు ఇంత స్పైస్ తింటారా
Yeah.
అయ్యో
Oil it. So just glazing the hot plate. Put the oil వేయాలి.
ఓకే
Then heat is there. See the sound.
అదే ద ఆయిల్ ఇస్ సిజ్లింగ్ హాట్ Chef, normally under people think that food cooked in star hotels is very longer recipes, very complicated to cook. But this is done in like 5 minutes, right?
Yes.
From the mixing, the marination, everything is under 5 minutes. It's a very simple recipe. I think our viewers can also try this at home.
See the smell.
I know.
So this is what
Aroma.
See, every recipe is important in standalone or a star hotel. We
Right.
have a restaurant here.
Right.
We believe on the global cuisine as well and the local cuisine as well.
Right.
So it's a part of the city. If I'm in Hyderabad, I'll use this. If I'm in other city, I'll use this. So ingredients are the key for the cooking.
Gumagumalu antar kada. This is what it is. You all should be here.
So in giving the right thing,
Okay.
see the
Wow.
color.
Yeah.
This is the color you need to get.
Chef annattu under 1 minute it's done. You can just see
It is already
it's already
see.
turning golden brown.
Golden brown, I think
Yeah.
outside, inside golden brown. No? Almost prawns will cook within a second now.
Actually timer పెట్టుకుంటే it's like done in a minute. Wow.
ప్రాన్స్ అనేది ఈ విధంగా కుక్ చేస్తే దాని ఫ్లేవర్ అనేది తెలుస్తుంది. ఓవర్ కుక్ చేయడం వల్ల చాలా మంది రేపుడు వీళ్ళు వచ్చిన రబ్బరీ ఫీల్ వస్తుంది. ఇది ద మాయిశ్చర్ అండ్ ద మీట్ విల్ కుక్ ఇన్సైడ్.
దీని తర్వాత ఏంటి? You just serve it like
Serve
this?
it with this. You can enjoy with your own food or
Okay.
liquor or beer. Beer is the best option.
Wow.
If
So
someone
beer
like-
lovers అందరికి one amazing combination.
బట్ నా ఫేవరెట్ కళ్ళుతోనైతే ఇంకా ఫేమస్ ఉంటుంది.
Chef is giving all local references, local suggestions.
ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఓవర్.
Yeah, it's done. I can see that. Wow.
Your pandu chili prawns ready. Pandu chili prawns.
Pandu chili prawns. Let us now dig into this. Thank you. It's so yum. Mwah. It's fantastic. చూసారు కదా టుడేస్ ఎపిసోడ్ ఆఫ్ తెలుగు వన్ ఫుడ్ కిచెన్ స్టోరీస్ విత్ సౌమ్య. వీఆర్ ఎట్ ద పార్క్ హోటల్ అండ్ మీరు ఒక ఎక్సైటింగ్ రెసిపీ చూసారు. కీప్ వాచింగ్ దిస్ స్పేస్ ఫర్ మోర్ ఎక్సైటింగ్ రెసిపీస్ ఫ్రమ్ మోర్ అమేజింగ్ రెస్టారెంట్స్. స్టే ట్యూన్డ్.